What's up, guys? Dr. Tan sitting here. Welcome to your daily body armor with Tank. A lot of you guys might be dealing with a lot of tight shoulders, a lot of shoulder pain, and you're looking for a way to free up that shoulder so you can have a better pressing day or bench press day or a better muscle up and dip day, okay? Now, we're going to take this ball. We're going to take our friend the barbell, put the barbell in the rack, take the ball, and you're going to pin the ball right between, essentially right underneath that armpit, okay? Right where that pec connects in, you're going to try and get that ball right in back of there. All right, so you're going to drive that ball down. All right, it won't feel all that great. And you're going to try to swing the arm. Okay, trying to apply some pressure down through that ball as you move. All right, so we're going to sit here. You're going to work through here for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, just nice, slow, easy motion. Working to just get that shoulder to calm down. Okay, then retest that pressing position. See how much easier it is to establish that good bench press position or the bottom of that dip. Okay, your shoulder should feel better, and you'll be ready to crush those workouts you're about to do for the day. So thank you guys for tuning in. This was your daily body armor with Tank. I'm Tank at Grand Red PT. Catch you here tomorrow. See you guys.